bright kids! It's me again, your Ate Sila. So, welcome to another episode of English Reading Session here on Bright Minds PH. So, today is Reading Monday, and we'll read a short story entitled Beach Day. I know that everyone is excited to go to the beach, though currently we are in pandemic. Most of the areas here in the Philippines are in lockdown, but this story will help us to reminisce how nice it is to be at the beach. So are you all excited? I'm sure you are. So let's get started.
All right, so before we start reading our story, let's check out these vocabulary words that will help us to better understand our story. All right, and our first word is chatter.
Chatter.
It means to speak rapidly. So, for example, the kids liked to chatter during lunch. So, again, our word is chatter. For our second word, it is clatter.
Clatter.
It means to make a loud rattling noise. For example, pots and pans clatter in the kitchen. Again, our word is clatter. Now, for a third word, it is scatter.
Scatter.
It means to separate or move quickly in different directions. For example, they needed to scatter the grass seeds on the ground. Again, our word is scatter. Okay, so now we'll start to read our short story, Beach Day. Waves roar, rush, and soar, rolling, crashing to the shore. Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. Sandy knees, foaming seas, insects dancing in the breeze. Noonlight shimmers bright, in the distance, hot and white. Bat, ball, mitt, it's a hit. Leaping, running, lickety split. Voices chatter, sand pails clatter, off to lunch the children scatter. High clouds flurry, sand crabs scurry, hungry simmers in a hurry. Okay, so that's it for a short story, Beach Day. Now let's answer some questions about the story that we just read. And our first question is, what does scatter mean? Is it A, to speak rapidly? B, to make a loud rattling noise? C, to separate or move quickly in different directions? Or letter D, to cook an evening meal? The correct answer for this question is letter C, to separate or move quickly in different directions. For our second question, kids are putting sand, letter A, in their hair, B, on the towels, C, on their knees, or letter D, in their lunch. For this second question, the correct answer is letter C, on their knees. Now, our third and last question is, who else is enjoying the beach? Is it letter A, cats, B, horses, C, cows, or letter D, dogs? The correct answer for this question is letter D, dogs.
Great job! You beat the level.
Good job, Bright Kids! We are done for another English reading session here on Bright Minds PH English Monday. Thank you so much for joining me. And again, I'm your Ate Syla. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are always updated to our new videos here on our channel. Thank you so much again for your time and see you next time. Bye!